everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing Easter eggs, Easter theme, sorry, not Easter eggs, Easter theme. So I'm using these type of nails again, the long almond. I love these nails, and I've already got the 5 picked out. So this is the thumb, pointing finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. Can remember the words. And I've already prepped them with the base coat, and of course it's still going to be Beetle's gel polish, the only ones I use now. So I'll be using these 2 colours, a light pink and a light blue. A nice pastel, so I'm going to alternate between different nails. So I'm going to be showing you, so I'll do pink, 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 blue and blue. I don't know why my mind just went like that. So enjoy the little speed run of me painting all of these. And I'm back. So if you have noticed, I did make a mistake on this one. I accidentally painted it pink when it should have been green. I should have just kept them on here and taken them off one by one, but that's me. I do this mistake, and I'm still going to put it on YouTube so everyone can know that mistakes can happen. So these will go under the curing lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to see if it's all dried. If it's not dry, it'll go back under for another 60 seconds. So I'll be back once that is done. And I'm back. So this is all fully cured, and it might not seem like it on camera, but if I bring this in close, you can see that there are little streaks in. So I'm going to take them all off here. I'm going to paint them a second coat. So, and then another 60-second curing. So I'll be back once that is done. And I'm back. So this is all nice and dried, cured, not dried, cured. I did 60 seconds, took it out, checked it. It was still a bit tacky, so I'll put it in for an extra 20 seconds, for an extra 60 seconds. It's still a little tacky, but as long as no colour comes off, it's alright. So I'm going to focus on the thumb. So I'm going to zoom you in so you can see the design I'm doing. Welcome back to the zoom. Right, for this one, I'm going to focus on putting some charms on. So I've got this beautiful multicolored blue and green one. I'm going to try and show you if my camera will focus. Focus. Come on. Oh, got it. Right. I've got beautiful blue and green one. I like this one. And a nice little colour, clear rose. I'm going to be using this for the first time. I've never used this before, so I'm going to learn together with you. So you unscrew it, comes in this, can't see it, but there's a little shine to it that you can see there. So it's just clear little glue. So I'm going to use the dotter. I'm just going to pick a little bit up, twirl it around. This is just learning for me. So I'm going to place the little dotter, just place them here, grab a bit more, make sure there's no strings, just place that on. Then I'm going to grab me wax pencil from the last video, and then I'm just going to place the charm just like that, just on a nice little angle, like that. And I'm going to do it again for the rose. I'm going to make sure the rose is the right way. Again, just grabbing a little, or an accidental lot, just twirl it around, and I'm just going to dab a little on there, and I'm just going to wipe off my brush. I'll clean it with some acetone, with some alcohol, and then I'm just going to place that right there. So I've kept it nice and simple. It is supposed to be an Easter look. For me, Easter reminds me of butterflies and flowers in springtime. So I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. So while that's curing, I'm going to make sure I wipe off my brush with a pad. So I'm just going to twirl it around like that. And look at that, nice and clean. No stickiness left. I'm going to place this on. So for the blue nail, the pointer finger, this one, the one next to your thumb, I've got some colours here that I want to use. So I've picked out a light orange colour, a light blue colour, a light red colour, a light yellow, and a light purple. So I'm going to place these just to the side here. I'm going to grab me little palette from last time. I'm just going to make little dots all around, and I'll be back once that is done. And I'm back. So as you can see, I've put these colours on just like that, just on the corner. So I'm going to grab me nail, and I've got some dotting tools here I want to use. So we got these sizes. If you remember the green one from last video, and why is my video gone dark? And I'm back. So we've got these dottings. This is the one from last time, and the double-sided, so it comes with two different sizes, just to make sure you know I'm not lying. There's two hands, two sizes. So for me, I'm going to choose this blue one, and I'm just going to create, that's for that one. So I've also got this little paintbrush, so I'm going to use this purple. I feel like purple's really nice here. So I'm going to create just some lines just to go along like that. Just like that. And another one to go like that. So I'm going to paint these lines in. Just like that. Make sure it's on the other side as well. So it's just like that. And I'm going to use this dotting tool. I'm going to use the blue. I'm just going to create some dots. One there, and just one there. Just like that. And I'm going to clean off the brush using a pad. Just like that. And I'm going to use this red. I'm going to place one in the middle of the two at the top, and two just like that. And then I'm going to grab a different paintbrush. So I'm going to grab the smallest one I've got. Yeah, I really apologize for my hands. I'm going to use this orange. I'm just going to create a little zigzag, just for funsies. If I can seem to do it right. Seems like I may need to wash this brush later, which I'll do after this video. And just try making sure you guys can see and I can see. There we go. So to me, that kind of looks really, really nice. I like it. So I'm going to put this under the curing lamp for 60 seconds. So while that one is curing, I'm going to grab another pink one. I'm going to push that out the way for now. The palette. I'm going to grab the pink one. And for the first time ever, I'm going to grab some stickers. So trying to decide which stickers to use is really, really hard. So I'm going to grab my dotting tool. This is just for placement because I do not have any tweezers. So I'm going to choose this little bunny right here. I'm going to try and get it off. It just works like a normal sticker. And try and peel it as carefully as you can. Once you've got some of it off, you are typically meant to use tweezers, but I do not have any. I'm going to try and not fold it. So for me, that didn't work. It folded in on itself here, as you can see. So I'm going to try again. I'm going to keep trying until I get it right. So again, I'm going to grab a bunny. This would be so much easier if I had some tweezers. So I'm going to pop that on there just like that. It didn't quite, oh, it worked all right actually. So I'm going to stick this right in the middle. So I'm just going to use my finger to hold it. Try and get it off there. And I'm going to use this to smother it down. Just like that, to smooth it down, sorry, not smother. So once that is all smoothed out, there you go. So once that is all done, I'm just going to leave that alone. I'm just going to keep these nails nice and simple. I'm going to grab another blue one. This one I'm going to put some flowers on, and then I'll be putting some gems on. So I'm going to put some carrots on as well, just for fun. I'm going to try my best to get it off. It looks like I managed. Again, onto there. I'm going to place that one right there. I'm going to smooth it down. Just like that. And for this one, I'm going to grab this dotting tool again. I'm going to put some gold on it. And I think I quite like these ones right here, these middle ones. So because these ones are smaller than the big ones from before, I'm going to grab my nail that was curing in the lamp. So I'll be using this one that I've sharpened. Just using a normal pencil sharpener like that and sharpen it up just like that. Just like that. Create a little point. And then for me, I'm going to grab a hard surface and just flatten it down just a little. That gives me a nice flat edge. I'm going to open this back up. I'm going to grab my dotting tool, make sure it's the right one and not the wrong one. Grab just a little, swirl it around like that, and just dotting it wherever I fancy putting some gems, and that's where I actually fancy it. So I'm going to put this on the pad to remind myself to clean it. Put that away. So I'm going to grab a gem with my wax pencil. I'm going to place one right there. As you can see from here, I'm not the very best at doing this yet, but practice, practice, and practice. That's all you need to do is practice. And eventually you'll be getting better and better and better at it. So now that's cured. Now that's going to be cured. And for the last nail, I think I'm going to do another paint in design because I've got the colours all set out here. and I haven't used the yellow yet. So I'm going to remind myself to clean off my dot and tool that I used to put the wax on. I'm going to grab this pencil, paintbrush. I'm going to colour, I'm going to do some zigzag lines. It's not the very best at seeing, but I can see it, you can see it. So I'm going to do some zigzag lines just like that, all the way across. And just for a bit of difference, I'm going to draw a line. Combine the two. I just realised I wasn't in frame. I'm really sorry about that. For this one, I'm going to grab the biggest one. I'm going to use the purple. I'm going to put a dot there. And a dot there. Then I'm going to grab the smallest on the other end. I'm going to put a dot there. And a dot there. And I'm going to grab this white one. I'm going to grab the red. I'm going to put a dot there. A dot there. I'm going to use the other side. I'm just going to put a row of orange dots. Just like that. So it might not look perfect. It doesn't look like anything really, but this is putting all my skills to use. So I am going to fill in that line, do that line. So I'll do that now on camera. So that's that line and that line. And as you can see, I did mess up a little bit here, but I kind of like it. It reminds me of a little bit of a carrot. So that's that one. My finger stuck. So I'll put this under the curing lamp for 60 seconds. So while that's curing, I'm going to clean off my palette, zoom you guys out, and I'm back. So this is my Easter set, and I think this looks perfect to me. Yes, I did make a mistake with this one by accidentally colouring it pink at start, but I really like it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.